welcome back. Today we are talking about all of these funky shaped gifts that you have during the holidays or for birthdays and things like that. And I want to show you a really cool trick that you can actually make your own gift wrapping bags using a regular roll of wrapping paper. So this is perfect for the holidays, it's perfect for birthday parties because you can use something that you already have on hand, the wrapping paper, to make a gift bag in any shape or size. The first thing that you want to do is roll out your wrapping paper and measure around your product. So you're going to lay it there, just like you were going to wrap this in a square box. You're going to bring your wrapping paper over the top of the product, bring it over, make sure that you have at least enough, and then add a little bit of extra so there's some extra room in the bag. Once I've measured my wrapping paper, I'm going to go ahead and cut this. What I want to do with my bag is I want to fold one side in. Next, I'm going to take some tape. I'm going to place it upside down on the inside liner of the bag. Remember, you don't want to tape the top of the bag or the bottom because we're going to be folding that later on. Then I'm going to bring over the top layer, cut my bag, a little bit of overlap, and press it down so that it's secured on that tape that we placed upside down. The next thing I want to do is tape the outside layer. And I'm going to tape this one all the way down. Now here comes the fun part. You actually want to fold up the bottom of your bag. You need to make sure that the width is at least half of the width of your product. Once you fold it up and have that nicely creased, you're going to flatten out the bottom of your bag. Now that I have that flattened out, I'm going to fold in the bottom of the bag and tape it securely. Once you have the bottom securely taped, then you're going to open up your bag and place your product inside. Once I have that product inside, I'm going to roll down the top so that I can attach my bow. I'm going to use some tape to secure the top of the bag. All right, now that I have my bag ready to go, I'm going to add some holes and tie some ribbon through there. Now I'm going to take my curling ribbon, measure it out, and tie it into a bow. Alright, there you have it, a quick and easy way to wrap just about any size gift during the holidays. I hope that you guys will give this one a try. It's really, really quick and easy, and it should save you a little bit of time and stress and a whole lot of money during this holiday season.